Sticking with Apple, let's take a deeper dive. Look at what the charts might be saying about whether today's bounce back can hold. And again, it's about a 0.25% bounce back, so it's trying. Jessica Inskip is Director of Research at stockbrokers.com. Jessica, it's great to see you. And do tell, what do you see?
Yeah, so I see that we actually have that psychological line of resistance is what I like to call it. Apple, I want to look at the weekly chart, have a bigger view. You know, I like to look at the trading cycles, which is 13, 26, and 40 weekly moving averages, because it represents 1, 2, and 3/4 worth of prices. That's the way that we look at the market, is quarterly, and we're certainly going into earnings season right now. What I'm seeing is we are actually finding resistance right at the 26 weekly moving average around 231. That is a very key level of resistance that I need to become support. There's still a series of higher lows, which is very important to have a direction of upwards momentum. But this psychological aspect, as in there's so much price found here around the 231, and all other indicators are pointing to this, that it's psychological, where if you own the security at that price, you maybe opt to sell. Therefore, selling pressure may come in, or supply. So it's important to overcome that. And then we could perhaps see a high to 237, then followed by the highs, the all-time highs, and the newer highs from there. So from the weekly view, it's just a very key level.
You know, I want to be clear too, Jessica, it's not just Apple. You may have heard about this Mag 7 we talk so much about. Microsoft hasn't been doing well as well. Some of the other Mag 7 outside of Tesla not doing well either. Do you think the investor appetite for these once insatiable stocks may be waning?
No, I do not actually. I think a lot of the market is still looking rather narrow. There was a really great chart that actually shared on Mad Money last week, where we looked at the Magnificent Seven in comparison to the 10-year. And there was just a nasty sell-off with the Mag 7 when the 10-year went over 4.75. We saw that happen again. Earnings season kicks back in, and it almost dominoes fall in a line. It overcomes from there, even if yields are held high. So I think it's earnings that are going to come in. And remember, when we were talking about Mag 7 last year, we excluded Tesla from the equation, or from the conversation. And it looks like the same thing may happen for Apple now, until we can overcome those key areas of resistance. So I still absolutely believe in the Magnificent Seven. The technicals are saying that a narrow rally can still carry the market. Broadening I want to see as well, but I am not counting that out, Brian.